The Remote Eyes digital video recorder, used in conjunction with many of the premier hospitality point-of-sale systems, has become the unchallenged leader in full integration between video and POS. By keystroke or button press on the POS terminal, data is sent to the Remote Eyes video recorder for text insertion on the appropriate video channel. Action seen on each sale of drinks can be checked against what the bartender actually rings up. With most POS products, Remote Eyes communicates with the system directly across the POS network. There are no text inserter boxes or other hardware needed to capture the POS data. Again, text is sent across the network real-time, that is, by button press on the terminal, rather than when the transaction is finalized or tendered. Remote Eyes captures all data, every line of text that appears on the POS terminal. Exceptions such as voids, deletes, error corrects, and cancels are all sent to the video for text insertion. No print receipt or tender function is required for the text insertion to take place. Much like a POS system, Remote Eyes Video is a management tool that brings dollars to the bottom line. The POS system can show you where shrinkage is taking place. Remote Eyes can identify the people responsible for the shrinkage. Recorded video can be played back at the speed it was recorded, or up to 7 times fast forward. Playback can be on the Remote Eyes server, on the POS network, or across the internet. Even at the highest playback speed, it is still possible to compare action when drinks are served with the actual transaction the bartender rings up. When reviewed over the internet, it takes only about 10 to 15 minutes to review an entire hour of recorded video, provided the server site has a reasonable broadband connection. Text insertion is only the first step of the integration. Recorded transaction data can be queried to look up any individual transaction or any specific type of transaction information commonly associated with employee fraud. Various filters such as function codes like voids and cancels, menu item, employee number, or even the guest check number can be used to look up any video recorded transaction. Notice the highlighted line of text, a transaction canceled. To review this specific transaction, a search of check number 2137 brings up a new report with all data related to the guest check in question. Since the total time frame of this check was only a few seconds, the entire transaction can easily be reviewed, beginning with when the check was started. Use the Display Video button at the bottom of the report, or simply double-click on any line of text, and the video clip containing the selected information will display, stopped at the exact second the data was recorded on the video. Unlike many of the less sophisticated systems available, data integrated with Remote Eyes is actually burned into the video images. There is no requirement to sync video with a text file that could easily be altered, as is the case with most other systems. By selecting the Rewind button, the clip will back up to the beginning, and the entire sequence related to the POS transaction can be reviewed from beginning to end. A Remote Eyes video management system, working together with the POS system, can significantly improve the operation of any business in the hospitality industry. Not only will integrated video increase profits, customer service and employee performance will also